The future of business is mutual cooperation. All of Gigatek's electronic manufacturing services, EMS for OEM and ODM comprehensive technology integration, create product value and provide you with a competitive advantage. Navigating the world stage can be difficult. Partnering with Gigatek ensures the best results. Gigatek. History. Gigatek Incorporated was established in 1984 to provide comprehensive EMS and OEM services on a global basis. We have professional manufacturing equipment and capabilities with facilities in Taiwan. Gigatek maintains a warehousing and service location centralized in the United States. Gigatek customers can be found in North America, Europe, Australia, and Asia. And our factories can simultaneously provide high-mix, low-volume and high-volume production. We can also provide customized electronic packaging services. Our services. We are strategic partners that possess outstanding technical service capabilities, enthusiasm, and abilities. Engineering services. Gigatek provides a full range of engineering and professional electronic OEM services. Professional electronic OEM service. Equipment and system. We implement SAP R/3 ERP management system, SAP CRM system, Business Intelligence Analyzer system, MES Manufacturing Execution System, Buy Manager, HRM Human Resource Management System, Green Product Management System. To satisfy diverse customer needs, we have introduced a wide range of professional equipment such as SPI solder paste inspection machine, automatic optical inspection machine, BGA rework equipment, nitrogen reflow oven, lead-free wave soldering oven, ICT equipment, precision PCBA routing machine, TIN-1800 SES RFID automatic machine, Berkel lamination system, RF module test system, conformal coating machine, ultrasonic welding machine, automatic glue dispenser machine, stencil washing machine, protoflow soldering machine, selective wave soldering machine, flying probe tester, image dimension measuring system, X-ray fluorescence analyzer, 2.5 dimension measuring equipment, programmable temperature and humidity chamber, 3D X-ray inspection system to provide rapid and accurate product quality assessment and failure analysis. Production. In a rapidly changing market, flexibility and real-time response are vital. Gigatek implements the MES Manufacturing Execution System and utilizes a cell production method in our factory and a flexible production line that can be adjusted based on different product requirements, organizational needs, and resources. As experts in the EMS field, we provide customers with operations and recommendations of possible solutions. Gigatek will also work with you to strengthen product design, reduce costs, and support your engineering and production technology demands. To implement flexible production, all SOP documents are organized into a document control center with IT technology. Operators and managers can immediately view accurate production-related documents based on product specification, operating standards, special requirements, change of order, or procedure change. All employees participate in 5S standards and discipline quality assurance practices. Sites and items that meet these high standards are used as examples of Gigatek's expectation of excellence. To eliminate waste, improve quality, reduce costs, and increase benefits, the Toyota Production System, TPS, has been introduced, and Total Productive Management, TPM, is used for overall administration. Quality management. Our reputation is built on the quality of our product, and we take pride in providing customers with excellence in all facets of the manufacturing process. Gigatek uses a prudent, disciplined approach to our quality management system, obtaining several certifications in ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 13485 Medical Device Quality Management System, IECQ QC 080,000 Hazardous Substance Process Management, IATF 16949 Automotive Industry Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, and ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System. We use a carefully controlled manufacturing process to ensure our products conform to the highest customer standards. Product workmanship compliant with ANSI-IPC-610 Class 2 or higher standards. The implementation of GPMS provides information management mechanism to satisfy customers' green procurement and fulfill hazardous substance-free regulation requirements of shipping region. Reliability test. Burn-in test. Continual improvement by Quality Control Circle and Quality Improvement Team activities. Future. Gigatek upholds sincerity, simplicity, innovation, toughness, and sharing. We are always moving forward and continue to gain experience and ability to serve our customers at the highest level. Gigatek is always improving our competitive advantage in the industry so our customers can concentrate on their core strengths. This builds a long-lasting, firm, and trusting partner relationship. Gigatek will continue to cultivate professionals, elevate our core competitive advantage, and provide products and quality services that consistently exceed our customers' requirements. We insist on quality first, customer-oriented, environmentally friendly, sustainable development, and take steps toward the intelligent manufacturing of a smart factory to achieve win-win scenarios. Gigatek